we're gonna play arenas, so let's see how it goes.
Alright, this match is underway. These two mech warriors are going toe-to-toe. But we definitely can't see their toes, Jackson. Indeed, we can't.
New target Phoenix Hub. Target acquired. New target.
My bad. My controller died. This was an open, like, this was an open arena. It's
All the
fine.
pleasant trees
Anybody
are behind
playing
them.
anything
They're
great.
locked into a battle now. Only unpleasant trees from here on out, Jackson. He got absolutely hammered to change his name to the nail.
And I love playing my boy.
Focus.
Caught now with a devastating blow. He gets hit with more shots like that, it will be all she wrote. Oh, hold on. He could be lulling him into a false sense of security, Jackson. KO'd another opponent. Won't even bother counting. Oh, man, he got him flush. He dealt some serious damage there. Yeah, not the card he wanted, Jackson. Wow, his leg just went for a ride. He'll have to really leg this one out to win, Jackson.
Target acquired.
Damn, an ammo blast just cooked off. More explosive than when I eat a plate of hot wings. Gross. Folks, he sent another opponent packing to the scrapyard. Building his personal museum of defeated rivals, Jackson. Direct hit, the arm goes flailing. Oh, I hope that wasn't his bowling arm. Another opponent bites the dust. And that doesn't sound tasty.
Yeah, so I'm doing this one by phone. I don't know how. This is really hard on my phone. But I do have kind of stuff. If you watch my latest short, you would be caught up on that.
This could be a tipping point here, folks. He's lost some firing capabilities. He'll need to adjust in a hurry. Yeah, time is not your friend, Jackson. More like a scorned ex-girlfriend laughing at you when you're sitting alone in a restaurant by yourself where you proposed and she rejected you. God, you can save that for therapy. God, he stacked another opponent on the scrap heap, starting to build a tower of himself. Oh man, he just donated his arm to the salvagers after that hit. Oh, that's very generous of him, Jackson.
It's hard down there.
Taking some early hits there. Still early, but they
Headshot.
need to start pushing back.
Headshot.
That's the only effective way of dealing with a
Headshot.
bully, Jackson.
Headshot.
That and a cattle prod.
I'm just gonna stop saying headshot. This is getting embarrassing.
Target acquired.
You were already dead.
Delivered another opponent straight to the abyss. He's turning the arena into a metal graveyard. I just hope they don't come back as ghosts. That's why you sleep with a nightlight.
Main target. Centurion. Incoming missile. Target acquired.
Huh. So they keep wearing like a heavy. Not good enough for the Atlas. I'm playing the phone isn't that bad. I don't even know how it has a crash yet. And with these graphics,
Sends another opponent down with authority. He made it look easy.
well, I'm not playing from my phone. I'm just seeing from my phone. I'm far away. I'm just looking at my phone while my Xbox is on. Like, I can't see my full screen TV, so I'm just looking at my phone so I can play. So it's kind of hard. That's why I'm missing a lot.
Damn! He'll have to battle through without one of his legs out.
And
It'll take some real leg
I
work for
don't
him
know
to
how my
win
arms
now.
are equipped already.
Cotton, there's another
Well, I
opponent
can't
down for
really say
kill.
already.
Downing
It's
is so
almost
overrated,
the
Jackson.
end of your suffering because I know you guys won't like this video. Small content creator, no one likes small content creators.
Folks, Mason scored a clutch victory. This was a heck of a finish. He really left it all out there, Jackson. Seriously, I think I see an arm and a leg.